2 tap holes for this bath. So first of all, I measured the back of the bath to the drop, which is 90mm, and I marked 45mm on one side and 45mm on the other side. I then measured from left to right the width of the bath, which is 700, and marked the centre, which is 35 centimetres or 350mm. With that centre mark, I then marked left and right the tap hole centres, which is 180 overall, so it's 90mm either side, and mark that. And then you go centre to centre, double check that it's 180. With that marked, you then pile it through with the centre of my stirrup bit, then double measure to make sure they're 180, and then with my hole saw bit in, I stick it in reverse first to drill part of it, and then I go slowly in forward motion all the way through the bath. With that done, that is how you drill through an acrylic bath, just like that. I hope this helps someone, and leave in the comments if this helps. Do go easy when drilling through. Have a good day and take care.